welcome back to the channel. This is your host Keith. You're watching Wild Hack. Oh, very happy Christmas to you all and your families, and to all my subscribers and viewers watching this video. So I'm heading towards the IC colony, Borivali, and this area is not quite far from my place, so I just decided that why not show you all the place. Last time around I couldn't show you all much. This time hopefully I'll be able to show you all. So let me just quickly take you all through the celebrations and the decorations in IC colony. So yeah, we are getting to the IC colony right at the entrance. Boris Bhai wishes one and all Happy New Year 2020, Merry Christmas. And look at the lightings, look at the decorations right at the entrance. Wow, amazing. You actually get the feel of Christmas looking at the decoration, the stars. Here's the star, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful lightings. The ambience is looking really great with the trees covered with lightings. Balloons being sold, and just have a look, they're still putting a bit of lighting. There is a Santa Claus out there. People taking pictures with Santa Claus. Wow, it's a bit of jammed up, but great sort of ambience here, very attractive. And on a Christmas Eve, this is what you get to see. People really well dressed up, and you know, with the red caps, the Santa Claus caps, clicking pictures, selfies, and so much of light all over the place. Here there is a crib towards my left hand side. You can see a lot of people gathering around there. It's best that I just show you all the place rather than you all listen to my running commentary. So I'll just stop talking for a while. Just enjoy this place, guys. able to post regular videos. It's not that I'm not getting content. I'm roaming a lot, but I'm not being able to spend time to edit those videos. That is the only thing. My videos have been delayed. I just hope that this video reaches you all on time. I'm not quite sure, guys. I'll just try to post it within a couple of days at least, because even I need to, you know, enjoy my Christmas with my family members. So maybe by the 20th I shall be able to post this video, and after this I will then post the rest of my videos which are pending. So I have 2 places that I've visited and I really enjoyed. So yes, I'll just share those videos later maybe. This is IC colony for you. I just hope that whatever I could shoot, I could show you all a glimpse of this place. After the lockdown, it's really improved, and you know, it's quite crowded. I just hope you all enjoyed this sort of small sort of glimpse of this IC colony that I could show you all. And now I'm heading back home. I thought I'll eat something out, but then there's enough of food cooked for me to go and dine and feast. A lot of chicken waiting for me. So yes, I'll go home. I'll have good sort of time with my family members. Yes, I'll see you all during the new year with a new vlog. Till then, take care, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and please hit the like button if you did like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.